let me introduce you to the latest in offerings from AUSRV, the AUSRV XL15E MKII. This caravan behind me represents everything we've learned in 15 years of building Australia's most loved caravans and campers. But what makes this one extra special, it's AUSRV by MDC, built in the MDC factory with ISO 9001 accreditation and built with RV map accreditation. Designed to provide the ultimate in off-grid comfort and off-road performance, the XL15E MKII is literally packed with features that will shame hybrids almost twice the price. Starting with the X-Trail suspension, this hybrid is built tough by incorporating the very latest in 3D software design and computer simulated testing in the form of finite element analysis, or FEA for short. The suspension is fully independent with coil springs and large diameter Tough Trax shock absorbers to traverse the toughest of outback tracks. The chassis is designed using the same software, and we are so sure it's up to the task, AUSRV offer a lifetime warranty on the chassis and drawbar. In keeping with the focus on strength, the body of this hybrid incorporates a welded aluminium frame with aluminium sandwich panel composite walls inside and out. Fully bonded, you'd be hard pressed to find a stronger body shell. Even the floor is constructed with the latest in technology with a fiberglass honeycomb composite that's lightweight and extremely strong. Nothing in the body shell can rot or perish. The list of standard features are enough to impress the most fastidious buyer. Air conditioning and diesel heating are included to ensure the comfort in all temperatures and to have you travelling all year round. Cooking convenience is covered with both an internal cooktop and sink, as well as a handy slide-out kitchen for cooking outside. An internal-external pantry that's easily accessible while cooking from either kitchen. The slide-out kitchen also has a handy pantry drawer right beside it. The features don't stop there. Inside there is a microwave oven and a 109 litre Dometic compressor fridge with freezer. Hot water is supplied by a Truma gas storage water heater. Power is plentiful with the LiFePRO 200 Ah lithium battery. Maintained by the PROJECTA electronics package, you'll have fast recovery times with a 50 amp mains power charger and two IDC 25L DC to DC controllers managing power from the 650 watts of solar panel on the roof and the power from your vehicle. A 1000 watt inverter is included as standard for smaller appliances when camping off-grid. When off-grid, your water supply is guaranteed with a 200 litre freshwater storage capacity and an 80 litre grey water tank to keep you fully self-contained in national parks and sensitive areas. General storage is plentiful, starting with the patented Aero Locker up front. Securely housing the gas bottles, jerry cans and other items, it has a huge volume of storage. The patented Aero Locker is also aerodynamic to save you fuel and allow greater clearance when towing with extended tray utes. Either side of the XL15E MKII are front storage boots for camping gear that are easily accessible and secure. Inside this hybrid is even more storage. Behind the club lounge there are handy storage areas. Cupboard space is plentiful right through to ensure that you have a place for everything and everything in its place. The club lounge is a great place to relax and entertain and conveniently converts into a second bed for additional travellers. The main bed is a king-size innerspring mattress for the best night's sleep. Reading lights and Sirocco fans add even more comfort and convenience and are fitted as standard. To complete the convenience package, a roomy ensuite with shower and toilet is fitted. Incorporating a one-piece shell, vanity and dry storage, you'll have the complete privacy and all the convenience you'd have at home. The XL15E MKII also has a great entertainment package. A Bluetooth sound system and HD TV are included along with a Malenko TV antenna for free-to-air TV. The television can be set up inside or outside with a handy cabinet for mounting the TV and connecting to power and the antenna on the outside. To turn the outside into an enclosed area, the XL15E MKII has a lightweight annex that fits under the awning. With large mesh windows, you can enjoy the breeze or enclose the area for protection against the elements. Safety is important, which is why the AUSRV XL15E MKII comes standard with Trail Assure electronic stability control. The system is fully self-contained with no installation required to the tow vehicle and monitors the trailer stability hundreds of times a second, ready to keep you safe when needed. For For additional safety and convenience, a rear view camera is fitted, giving a view behind while towing and making reversing easier and safer. Once you see it for yourself, I'm sure you'll agree that the AUSRV XL15E MKII is clearly the class leader. Also, the backup of MDC AUSRV is phenomenal. Things like owner manuals, all the information you need to know how to operate your new camper or caravan properly, troubleshooting guides to get you out of trouble when you're out off grid and you can't call someone. Also, our extensive video library on the YouTube channel. Lots of videos with camping hacks, how to set up and pack up your new product and do it right. A customer service call centre, people dedicated to look after your technical inquiries, spare parts purchases and your warranty claims. So head into one of our stores nationwide and speak to one of our sales professionals, or jump on our website, check out the owner manuals and do the 3D tour of this amazing caravan.